Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you step-by-step how to block your phone from being tracked. It's an essential guide to help protect your privacy, so stick around. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all the magic begins. Just look for that little gear icon and tap on it to get started. Step 2. Tap on Location. Once you're in Security and Location, you'll see a section labeled Location. Tap on it to open the location settings. Step 3. Find the Use Location option and toggle it off. You'll see a switch or a toggle next to Use Location. Slide it to the off position to completely disable location tracking for your phone. This is a big step toward keeping your location private. Step 4. Go back to your settings home screen. Now, let's make sure individual apps aren't tracking you unnecessarily. Head back to the main settings menu to continue. Step 5. Navigate to the Apps section. Find the section labeled Apps or Applications. This is where you can manage settings for all the apps installed on your phone. Step 6. Select the app for which you want to disable location tracking. Scroll through the list of apps and tap on the one you're concerned about. For example, it could be a social media app or a weather app. Step 7. Tap on Permissions. Once you've selected the app, look for a section called Permissions and tap on it. This is where you can control what the app has access to. Step 8. Scroll down and tap on Location. In the Permissions list, find Location and tap on it. This will open the specific settings for location access. Step 9. Toggle the location setting off for that app. You'll see an option to turn location access off. Select it, and now that app won't be able to track your location anymore. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked tracking on your phone, both system-wide and for individual apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.